would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. All these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light?
So I am currently in my room. It is about, I think it's like 9 p.m. ish, and yeah, a green room. I do like green. But yeah, the guest house I got to rent, I think that's like the closest to where I need to be while I'm here. Is yeah, this is the closest. I'm also trying to lose weight while I'm here because it just makes sense that I'm away from the foods and all the things I'm usually used to. So I'll try as much as possible not to find all the good food joints and just like stay hungry till like nighttime and then have one meal and go to bed. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, yeah, so that is that.
Would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me?
Morning, guys. It is a new day and I'm trying to get ready to go do my work. Also, I put my hair in braids because I don't know if you can see, because I'm tired of putting so much gel in my hair. Like, my hair is natural, so putting gel in my hair really terrifies me. I just feel like I'm just going to be breaking my hair. So I just put it in braids, put my ponytail on, and I am good to go. So yeah, it's been a great experience. Will I live here long term? I strongly doubt it. But just being here for a few days is nice. Really nice. I'm done. I'm waiting for my tricycle guy to come pick me up. I noticed that my bodysuit keeps riding up. I can't show you. It keeps riding up because I didn't bring the belt. So I have to find something. I have to find something else to wear. And or should I just wear my? Actually, wait. Let me wear this one. So it turns out I brought this top when I was parking. I packed in so much of a hurry that I don't even know what I packed. So moral lesson: don't pack in a hurry. So I brought this top. It is a DIY. I originally put these sleeves on a different top, but then I don't remember. I think the top the material was a bit too soft, so it got torn or something. I can't remember. So I transferred the sleeves onto this top. Like, it's so basic, tank top, put on sleeves. I filmed a video, I believe, so I'll link it somewhere so you can look at it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put on my nose mask. My guy is here, so I'll just go start my day. Let's go. When you wear the soldier, the army, this thing, nobody does anything to you.
Oh yeah, they did that.
I cry if you wear camo. They say that soldiers will beat you up.
Yeah, sometimes we do that.
Hey, I want to like that.
Because I'm in car, that's why I'm just waiting. By the time they will realize, oh, I'm fast away.
I live that way. And I like this way. So I have been working all day. Like it's currently 5 o'clock, and I've been working all day. I'm beginning to feel the hunger, but I'm still determined to just have one meal. So I'll probably. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I'll probably just probably have tea or something later in the evening. But for now, I'm good. Didn't make it to town, and that's the update. Also, people have been talking so much about kissing booth on Twitter. So I you know, I was trying to take a little break while I was working, and I decided to check it out, and it's so cool. If you haven't seen Kissing Booth, oh, okay, so that's me right there again. Hi. If you haven't seen Kissing Booth and you like one of those high school movies, you probably like it. It's one of those dreamy love stories. I have seen just one. I don't know how it turns out or anything. So yeah, I don't know, but yeah, that's what today is like. But I really wanted to explore the town, see what it's like and all of that. So I may try to do that tomorrow or the next day or the next day. Okay, so I managed to get some time off and take pictures of this top I had been trying to make. So yeah, now that I've taken my like before picture, before video. I'm going to insert it into the main video and I'll have that done. So yeah, let's go into editing this video. Right, so I am alone in the office, and I think today is like day 7 or so. I can't remember what day it is today, but it has been a great day. We worked on like IT stuff, and I went to teach a class on what to do with regards to the work they're doing. And now I am back and every other person is out of the office. I have like the office to myself. And yeah, I'm about to edit a thumbnail for my video that I've been working on this whole trip. And that'll be that. So the video will go up tomorrow, and I'm happy about it, like very happy about it. What else? Yeah, that's about it. They brought rice. Rice is terrible, so I'm having another cup of rice porridge that I had in the morning. And yeah, that is that. My favorite thing about this place is the quiet. I really like the quiet. I like the change of environment. And the weather is not hot. You know how it's usually very hot up north, or at least that's where we hear back in Accra. It is not hot at all. Like it's rainy season, so it's pretty cool, and I like that a lot. So yeah, that is what is going on with me right now. And wow, that's rude. Anyway, that's what's going on with me right now. I'm going to edit my thumbnail, and yeah, see you guys later. Do it. Move. Come on. Bye, guys.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away.